In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the question feature on Instagram stories. So what you want to do is go to your profile on Instagram and click on your profile picture where the little plus sign is. Then go ahead and click create and click on the smiley face sticker up in the top. Then you're going to click on questions. And now what you can do here is you can type something here that your followers will respond to. So you could ask them a question that they respond to. You could even ask them to ask you a question. And then there is a way that you can actually show someone's answer and respond to their answer. So let's say we ask, what is your favorite color? Then you can post it on your story. Wait for that to upload. And then when people see your story, they'll have the option to type an answer to your story, to the question in your story. Send. Okay. Then you just wait a while and let the responses come in. Once the responses are in, you can look at your story, and if you click down at the bottom left, you can view the responses. So as you can see right here, there are 2 responses to the question. And then you have the option to reply by clicking on reply. And you can directly message the person, or you can share a response on your story. So let's say blue is one of my favorites too. Click on that, and you're able to send that to your story. And it will create a new story that shares your response to their response. So that's a cool little feature on Instagram stories, the questions feature. And there's a lot of ways that you can be creative with that and build community and get to know your followers. So that is how you use the questions feature on Instagram stories. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to help you out.